If you've ever wanted to get onto x.com, formerly Twitter, and you're not quite sure where to start, this quick tutorial will walk you through it, step by step. Whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or any web browser, I'll show you the simplest way to open x.com and get to your account in just a moment. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open any web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, click into the address bar at the top. Here, type x.com and press enter on your keyboard. You do not need to search for a full long web address or go through a complicated menu. Just type x.com directly and let the browser load the website. After a few seconds, you should see the X website appear on your screen. Now, if you're already signed into your account, X will usually take you straight to the home page. This means you'll land right on your feed, where you can start browsing posts, following accounts, and checking updates right away. But if you are not signed in, X will ask you to log in first. In that case, simply enter your email, phone number, or username, along with your password, and complete the sign-in process. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may also need to approve a login code before continuing. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the home page automatically. From there, you're all set. You can scroll through your timeline, search for content, post updates, or manage your profile as needed. So, in summary, all you need to do is open your browser, go to x.com, and either get redirected to the home page if you're already logged in, or sign in if you're not. It's a very quick process, but knowing this simple step can save you time every day. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.